dear. Say me and me catch it. Say I wouldn't be surprised. Me, I was even expecting say it will happen at the end of the season. But Enra in Penyufono thought it wise, said they would allow him to go major no quite in terms of. And well, Nkrovobeka say ABI is surprising, but
surprising.
Every day been surprising me.
Coffee, what happened? Because me to say board and management in the no Rosenior OUT backing. I'm so Anya Shekura and Ebema both season every year. And we do a proper assessment of Nhyira na Obeye. And we have discuss it after show. And it is Liam Rosenior and Benfo Janquine. What happened?
I think that if you want to understand the Liam Rosenior and how things have gone on, you'd have to look at where it started from.
Yeah.
And 2 weeks ago, so Baghdad Igbali a sports conference, and they asked him about Liam. And I'll say for the 18 months on in Ayala of Strasbourg, no, he has shown enough so beat me Ayala. So he believes Liam beat me Ayala. But which we have all come to understand, say, regardless of how much backing you are only going to stay as long as the results permit you. So you can get the lip service of you're back, you're pewasem, you're a good manager. But once the results don't favor you and the results don't back you, it's for anybody to make a case for you. And I think Nhyira was probably the last result for Chelsea owners not to sort of tell the fans to say, we still want to win. The Chelsea fans don't believe that this ownership, they don't believe say the treatment Roman Abramovich as a fan base almost every season on BB and the bragging rights that they could get. No, this ownership wants to give them that. If a Chelsea fan say believe he said this ownership are only in to make business, get profit, and then go to their houses. And it has always been a long-standing thought that usually go for our American owners. Who be say American owners are saying as profits now, no
business minded.
Yes, they don't care about the club winning and all of that. But the truth is that, Rich, in football, if you don't win on the field of play, you don't make profits. You can sell player for what amount, but then sustainable profit. What's the probability? Say every year, be having that amount of money from any team. But if you win and win consistently, that is more better profits and more sustainable profits than just selling.
Now, say more Champions League.
Sikani be share from. Yes, Sikani be share from. And I've said it several times. Even for a club like Manchester United, and your marketing now on United, who are big in terms of fan base, maybe that 50 million squad Snapdragon for the Bremen. So it's very important. Now, and remember, I say me Chelsea, Rich. Our Chelsea owners don't sack coaches. Fans the PAM. It is fans that sack coaches. Even under this new ownership, that is the one thing that I hear constant under them. When Graham Potter came, Graham Potter buying, it's a similar story to what had happened to Liam Rosenior. Graham Potter buying, not Chelsea are palming a Champions League winning manager in Thomas Tuchel. And nobody take you over. Or a different guy, different person, different style of football. Or starting say Rosenior the Navy. We need 2-3 matches to be. She say, okay, maybe this guy can be good. Then when everything begins to cave in, start with Stamford Bridge. Fans need boo. Oko away from home, nobody no boo. Then they are beginning to say certain things about you. After they say no, the atmosphere is beginning to turn around you. From most of the multiple reports, Nhyira, or 2 nights ago, after the game at Chelsea boy against Brighton, Baghdad Igbali there and then had told the sporting directors and Zomunko Pamuli Amosini.
It's not the stadium, huh?
Yeah. But the sporting directors no decided to exercise restraints any decorum. Say, I feel about action, at least you're so it was in the morning that we all heard of the crunch meeting and Ekoso between Chelsea directors, no? Any friend is a sporting director. In fact, there was still a good number of the Chelsea board that felt that China season ending year. Then we can go in there and say that okay, fine, but I think what really made the difference for them to push them to make the change, and they say, so Becca, and now me make a little bit of a funny aside in my analysis that Liam Rosenior now say, oh, next match, you better try see Sano. Next match, you better try see Sano. And the next match in Airbus say in front of Chelsea, the game against Leeds United, which is the semi-final of the FA Cup. And in fact, so would read the Chelsea statements now. Almost say there is still a lot to play for in the league. So according to them, they think that mathematically the Champions League is not even gone. And mathematically it's not gone. Yeah. Whether or not Chelsea can get a different story, but mathematically it's not gone. They also think that the possibility of winning silverware in a season and Yaman Koye, will be there. So they can go on and then make sure say they get something. So based on that too, results of course doesn't back Liam Rosenior. And okay, should we wait till the end of the season? No, because now there are things that we can still win. And Liam Rosenior in the last 5 games have shown us that on Team Sasha, even to the extent that you concede and you don't score. So nothing really has changed. Which in the afternoon also, there were multiple reports say in terms of vote of confidence, Chelsea for all players Liam Rosenior be. That a good number of the players felt that time or buy na winning matches na Enzo Maresca systems na no mobo and na we tweaking a crabby and no winning. Then at some point he felt that he needed to make wholesale changes. Into me sure say what's a dia a for their friends a supply teacher. What people are trying to say is that over there, or yes, Oba son no born on a style, because he doesn't have the time, the training ground time on the field of play near the identity. He was forced to pump too much information to the players. Inti omoko the video analysis room ni akobo video achiromo munyese no makwa say ni akobo video achiromo munyese no mafaha munkonko say several times. All of those things were going on. And they felt that, that is it. Try say him. So more information be bring. That's the only time I'll bet you now. Editing. So the players were failing to grasp it. In fact, some of the players have told their agents, say, park they didn't know what they wanted to do. And I told you yesterday, say, first half back club against Brighton, the players were clueless.
And for crowd.
Yeah.
First half
on back. And they saw about three back the time no banechi, time no defend say. So all of those things added to it. Which I don't know if this job allows me to feel sad for anybody, especially coaches. But as a human being, I feel very sad for Liam.
Young Goja,
yeah.
Start to a sack yeah.
Life was good at Strasbourg. Yeah.
Or
Conference League. And then Gary O'Neill now about Jacobo quarter final or semi final of the Conference League. He could have won that. Yeah. But that is not with him again. And Rich, Chelsea Jumano see a pamu say it dents it 1 year ago. Najabi Alonso one and Empeno. After Madrid issue, people are careful with mentioning the name of Jabi Alonso. The big clubs are unforgiving with things like this, especially if you're a young manager. But Rich, still, there is a life after Chelsea. Graham Potter coachy Norway Swedish national team. Antonio Conte have rejuvenated their careers. Mauricio Pochettino call World Cup. Thomas Tuchel call World Cup. So definitely there can be life for him. At the end of the when it comes to Liam Rosenior and say Rich, it do maybe not one former teammate or no Bobo Fulham any Brighton. Some weird interviews they sort of attacked him. So yes. So Casado do you see buzzwords. No Casacromu no now so person who so you me I felt all of those things were jealousy. Because for your former teammate to say such things to Nipanonye just because of the words he uses, it was a little unfair and it was cruel. And I hope Liam can put himself together for him to go on and turn things around at our Chelsea Football Club. Now, which from here, the most important thing Chelsea will have to do is also in almost statement, And I hear me there's some cancer in the last paragraph. Almost say they will do proper reflection as a club.
Very, very important.
Yes. 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 Proper reflection as a club. and then make sure that they deal with the instability. And Rich, for me, that is the underlined word for Chelsea. The reason why Chelsea have plummeted in the last 2 seasons and 1 season coming now, instability
and indecisions.
Yes, you can't always be chopping and changing. You make a wrong decision, you change it, then you come back again.
It means that in terms of who take a decision, there's a problem.
There are problems with them. Makani several
times.
The same story. For me, that's why I kept on saying that maybe I should move on from Maresca. Because I just and no come friend bizarre ABS na coach is Koba.
Oh, wait me about it.
Once the same season who be that year, but coach is Koba. But what if Maresca soon City? Because Maresca, we had a good coach, honestly.
But the biggest concern is that the decision it was strong. It was a very bad decision.
What was a possible list of coaches? I don't know. Maybe Gilles have
Fabregas Xabi Alonso Nagelsmann.
Yeah.
Baby on the mamungo. Oh, say anything come
on.
Oh, yeah, coach Germany now ko kazan. Oh, so woman the kunti emfano. Why? Nagelsmann in pamchok munyabutre. Sacking the coach won't solve our problem. The players are shambolic and can't even pass accurately. Most of them have to leave this summer. How can you rely on the lap? George, Eddie for Germany, Dortmund, and now the Abraham. As same way, and Opera may cut the same thing as Atre Garbage Ram. Say, Mimi Jitum, say, Rosenior or Nadia cry. With the kind of result or the amateurs, is so bad. But for a coach to say, look, players in Noah, Ebi Omukoji FIFA Club World Cup. Inti, a mama say, Chelsea a good team.
Yeah.
A complete team, no. And this because the fundamentals in the crown players didn't mean yet. So pass the ball, baby, I saw dignity ball, baby, I saw control ball pass and go to me. I think that Mamu Moon say, okay, obey one yadi. It doesn't be over Cambiano. Sebi, more pressure and pass it. I think you should scrutinize it. Very, very important. Because for a coach to say, players now can say the more. I feel so only finished product. No, what's the fundamentals going in here? It's serious issue.
Rich, said the Chelsea issue is a very big one. It is just unfortunate that Rosenior became the one who was caught in the trap. In the sense, when you look at all the things that have happened with Chelsea in the lead up to the FIFA Club World Cup, right? Omuwini UEFA Conference League, and then there was a lot of hype around Enzo Maresca, the kind of team he was building. Now, Oshe entering into this season, the problems that could be foreseen alone with the playing body now, everybody would have attributed to the fact that it was a maybe Liam Rosenior. When you look at him very carefully, Otimu said he had good intentions, but the problems at Chelsea are bigger than him. That there are times, even the immediate cause of the sack, the game against Brighton. And now, I say, in psychology, we have something called attributional conflict.
Yeah.
A game, no. You bisa Rosenior say, what were you expecting to see from your players? Or say fighting spirit. And you didn't see that from the players. You be in the bisa Chaloba.
Is it not true?
No, Rich Meba. And Yebisa Chaloba say, what is wrong? And he said that the team is tired, the players are tired. Look at the number of games they have played this season, Rich. The players are tired. Rosenior attributing the loss to a lack of fighting spirit. Chaloba attributing the loss to tiredness on the side of the team. So when you look at the conflict or the mismatch between the two, the resultant effect is that both the playing body and the managers cannot trust themselves. And it's more on the part of the players. They cannot trust the manager because they've thrown them under the bus. You, the manager, we expect you to defend us, or at least say something that would give us something that Kasa na yen who say you have spoken the language of the players, but you spoke in such a way that throws us under the bus, and that is an erosion of psychological safety. Because I was saying players no, they can have that comfort playing for Chelsea, knowing that even if they've made a mistake, their coach will not go and speak to the press or will not go and speak to the world in such a way that demeans them. It's in painful at the top when they see something like this. It is easy for them to take a decision because, yes, they say the FIFA, we still have a trophy to win, FA Cup semi-final. And if we win that game, we are in the final. So when the psychological safety has been eroded and you have attributed the loss in different circumstances to different things, then there's no need for you, Rosenior, to continue. And it is so sad because Usha, the reason why I always say you can say that he's tired. You can say that he's tired. And there's very little he can say that would not make him look bad. He always has to put up a good face. Now, Usha, the kind of person that Liam Rosenior, he's the person who wants to speak well, who wants to come politically correct, or person or kasana amount for who say Onimejuma. But the truth about Chelsea, Jumani say, you cannot hide behind the facade of being a nice guy. Your results must demonstrate the fact that you know what you are doing, and that is not what you are seeing.
Is it not a matter of my bread?
That's what I'm saying.
My people catch a dodo. They be a ball game. We are not better than me defend the players. Me defend woman, and I mean as I'm making is on record. Every Chelsea game be on my bubia. Sankoya coach in the press conference. Ojitu, oji blame the man. Or feel say it's time, and so maybe we are saying there was a look. Problem ni ebi ameme o me de, but problem ni be so players no.
Which is why I was say
me defend them
which is why Rich Impenyufo at the top leading the Bluco consortium. I was say omushenya maybe, and they need to ask themselves questions. Self-reflection now omudia statements when so no. They will have to do it well.
Okay.
Because when you look at the Bluco consortium now, Todd Boehly was the chairman of the Bluco consortium, and in fact he still is. But over the last few days, Nipa or Kasapa eye Bedad Egbali.
Yeah.
And Bedad Egbali no clearly capital no are the majority shareholders of the Bluco consortium, about 61.5%. The thing I'm trying to say is that it is quite clear, say at the top, they have not agreed on so many things. But Todd Boehly and Bedad Egbali are making. They have not agreed on so many things. So the conflict is starting from there. And in terms of decision making, example be keke na me example be in Chelsea here. Bedad Egbali was pushing for the Earls Court Stadium infrastructure development. And on Chelsea a movie from Stamford Bridge to Earls Court. Now we see new 60,000 capacity stadium or Earls Court. But look at Todd Boehly. He thinks otherwise. Right?
Okay.
He thinks that it is better that the team stays at Stamford Bridge and it is developed at least 55,000 capacity. These two things alone and the fact that they could not agree tells you that a lot of other decisions that are being taken at the top there are decisions that at the end of the day it will affect what is happening on the pitch. And since Bluco is taking over Chelsea 2022 till now, look at the number of managers that have passed through the club. So what is the way forward? That self-reflection is something that also Mutinasi. Now, if there are issues at the top, they need to iron out those issues. Because you cannot say that we are managing a team like Chelsea that already has its tradition and its values and its principles. And then because of the fact that we have invested our money and we have taken over and we have some conflict at the top, it affects everything else. It affects the whole structure.
Okay.
The fans themselves will begin to, it becomes a very difficult situation to handle. Because you and the fans will always be at loggerheads. And you cannot get the results that you want. You cannot invest Usika with the expectations that Sika alone will change the fortunes of the team on the field of play. That is where he has to start from.
Okay. Leonard Tonford, I say blame Mikel Obi. He helped push Jackson out. Okay. Rosenior, I say if Liam is gone, the sporting directors will also be gone because they've gotten so many decisions wrong. If they had got to sack 3 or 4 coaches, they have no reason to be in their roles. Okay. Also message out there, Rosenior, technically, whenever every coach comes in, he unlocks 1 or 2 players in some of the key positions to reappear. To appear as world-class players. Liam never unlocked or showed signs of it. I think the players saw it and got fed up.
Oh, please.
Yeah, so
nice, sir. Just 3 days ago, Jaro Hato has been a talk of town.
The most improved.
Yeah, he may not be world class, but then very comfortably playing under Liam.
Okay.
And Koyi, but I mean, it doesn't mean that Liam is entirely a bad coach.
Okay. Ayala, good morning.
Good morning.
Now to say,
oh, Nyamia do me here.
The Nyamia say, Rosenior Saki also for me to me na imrefi.
You know them church for na nyo masem no moka. Kakra media aka ho ene say. Rich, if you ask we team bia pamo coaches. Enti say order so any see a pamo coach be because results and bar. A very very normal in football. Nye bibi a ebin sida and a Chelsea aye and have it. Very very normal. I think say over the history of Chelsea crowd here, Coach Pam there, it is in the DNA of the club. Roman Abramovich, a lot of coaches. During Roman Abramovich time, sir, only a inside sources ekasa. Almost say the moment we get to November, ye be book for about December, ni mo abe see the next year ni mo na ye call the run in no. Look, on who ni o me ye ha. You start feeling the heat our club ni mo. And during that time, resources, Esther say, Fichi penal, he will allow you to go. Obepamo. Jose, Luis Felipe Scolari, Carlo Ancelotti, Antonio Conte. You can mention them. Andres Villas-Boas, Roberto Di Matteo. Omunyi nanyo omuchafa Mauricio Sarri. Why? Obia had a taste of the Chelsea DNA and the Roman Abramovich opamu coaches. Enti se blue ko aba na se omoso so pamu coaches. Thomas Tuchel, Graham Potter, Frank Lampard, Mauricio Pochettino, Enzo Maresca, Liam. For a typical Chelsea fan, Sadia no enye bia e ade e koso Chelsea mu. But there is a little bit of difference. And sad difference, you know, is for me where the issue is. And you go straight into Oma club, no, Omo owning this year, you know. For me, it is not really an issue of the coaches. For a typical football fan, say results in Koya, yes, a coach, maybe no problem. For Chelsea, new card here, that has been his orientation to football. Club no support, you know. Say results in Koye peno ne first agitation and say the minimum say club we there results in Koye be pamu coach. Enti for Chelsea fan there say coach we aba coach be ko enya na sam. But it is clear say Anna Abramovich Rich the India obesasa coach and he say ojitum say he has built a very very good squad in the Amawa. That squad should be able to win trophies. And can player hope, can player or your top, or your experience, or your superstar. Na mi kotone man. Se me kotone man wa. Na me tinche na me say, o de beji trophies amami. Now trophies nimba. Hey, when I enter the room and I say you are sacked, everybody knows that me mama players, papa, and I'm a sack you. But Rich, the amount of you confused about Bloko for the and say Bloko there. And yet, no, Roman Abramovich turn on Norton, Bloko almost top. In fact, since the mobile, or not touching anything within that duration, they've spent about 1.5 billion on player sales. It's a yes or hunto almost top. But you must say, players now Bloko for the Toma coaches, and your players bear. Are there players that are shown who coaching say? Who do you trophies and the answer is no. Chelsea say omu project and a Bloko and say ye better cry. Ye ton cry to build a future with them. Now those who are close to Bloko and cry for the Americans, it is a modern and a strategy. And the purpose is that these young players across the world resale value into a ton cry. We give them 1 or 2 years at Chelsea. We add value to Omo. Na Kamba will say, a tongue, near Timiaton, near Yeska, American model, strictly about profits and Omusikasem and the Omasiania Free Club. Now, if that is the understanding of the Bloko project, me issue in say, then why are they chopping and changing the coaches? Because Roman Abramovich, any day now was fixated on trophies. Any the is fixated on player sales. It is a player sales there. Then why do you keep changing coaches now? They are supposed to be there for a long term and build a project for you. And then Rich say Oshe coaches are Bloko sense or mobile. Omo Thomas Tukilo and you know Tuko by Ometono. But who you took through? Look at the coaches of the Mama.
Porter. Lampard
by Pochettino by Maresca by Liam by. What does it tell you? Like simple on paper. It tells you they are bringing in coaches that are developmental coaches. They are bringing in coaches, Rich, they are not so elite, but they will understand to work within a certain structure and a strategy. That is the reason why coaches, basically Luis Enrique, one of the big coaches, have always been rumors that Chelsea because they will want a little bit more freedom. But I say, there be Chelsea team that wants to see any day, and the blue comedy over. There's a certain structure, be any strategy, be yeah, they are to acquire and your project be, and your coaches are to work within that project now. That is the reason why these names has always been appointed at Chelsea. Now, when you bring in a coach, then you buy a small project for him to develop. No more long-term contract, 5.5 years, 6 years. Rich, results then whoop, you can't harbor the pressure. Untimin to say projects in our best of building a yamre. Then you turn around. No afa Chelsea Atari and said they now Roman Abramovich and I say no coach. But what's soon him say the way no Roman Abramovich any team no players are no Otobano any the kind of coach are no Kofabano. And you can't to can cry Mumana Munya de Anamame Mania Mofeli Mepamomo. You are not doing the same thing.
Ayala, Chelsea team, this current Chelsea team, is it that bad? I ain't mean we need Chelsea trophies.
Rich, the evidence is on the paper. We are forced to share too much of opinion while the facts are there. Whether Chelsea team since a bloke a title winning team or not, the evidence is there. So we are title winning team, and you win it and you will see. If you are not too, you will not win it and you will see. And then I can say, when City won almost season and they needed some quick fix, they waiting for the captain of Crystal Palace. He had played in the Premier League for how many years? Oba, has he fixed the City defense or not?
I fix it.
They went in for Antoine Semenyo. Will you compare Antoine Semenyo as a winger to Obi say Jimmy Gates and so who are you bringing in to solve your problem for you? Now, Rich, Mami Musa was
near DV.
When Enzo Maresca came, he had coached as a head coach only 63 times. Emu 57 was a head coach of Leicester. Leicester at that time, no coach, was not even in the elite league of the Premier League. They were in second tier. Se okache sa coach bisa o sa background. Se o man adwuma kese bi se Chelsea. Rich ujiri se onye na dom. Why na dom? Because on do ho and na ode man. Now, among the reason why at Chelsea promo Enzo Maresca was that almost all flirting with Manchester City. Busa won say then a coach ne pedigree endru Chelsea. Ni ebe se wani monyam bi say na oye adwuma no. You harbor the idea to go and flirt with City. And then the City attracting Enzo Maresca to go and flirt with them at the detriment of Chelsea. Now, oh yeah, you want to difference in there. Because Enzo Nim says City no they are going to buy him world beaters or buying so do a trophy. Then projects now I get to say, oh yeah, our Chelsea no. That is the only difference. So our City he gets to work with Wadri. He gets to work with Ruben Diaz, Doku, Erling Haaland, and these are finished products. They can just come in and give you trophies. But at Chelsea, he is forced to work with Sebi Emkra, Pochettino, Lampard, Graham Potter, Maresca. All of them are Blue Kobai Woma appointee. At a point in time, and no more have expressed almost displeasure. Say, the team needs experience. Having they done that, now within that same contest, Rich, let it make sense to me. Say, Chelsea akofa player be say Noni Madueke. Wakofa player be say Nicholas Jackson. When they came to Chelsea, we say, these players, and ka Roman about Victama, and ka omu maluda mu ebu to crank omu nyebi nworo. But we see o debi ye den kwana comedy o mo na eba na ya bo o mo na o matimi develop and many best who they will win trophies for us. Rich, these players come in, they play 1 or 2 seasons. Over there say ya turn on him Madueke ama Arsenal. Ya man Nicolas Jackson ko loan el Bayern Munich. Now who do why never show manaya? Opa no ni Madueke, then you bring in Garnacho. You bring in Jimmy Gittins. Oma Nicolas Jackson echo Bayern. Then you bring in Delap. Are you just restarting the project again? And I said the end. Because when they come in and they are developing, you know somewhere cry. You know say they are not finished products. Exactly. It's all making mistakes. Now or Shebi, now or Cosplay, or now.
This is all my chop and what on.
Yes, I couldn't even know.
The other day a project again.
You are just restarting. Now me last words and say, at least Kukwera Mayenya hint be say, oh, there seems to be a gentleman understanding. Say season we are. The next season, Chelsea will tweak omo project and bring in experienced players. And Opaya Telegraph air report say the sources air catch and say the next coach of Beba or Chelsea will also be tweaked and they will bring in a high level coach and not Obia. First now Blue Koba Obi 15 to system. This time around they want to bring in an experienced coach Onime Jumo Betimidio Mwakwa trophy. Now Rich, at least if Sanyo Manuminu, what Kukwera hinted and what Telegraph air reporter Anopawe is truer, then Yenina Yajatum say that is an evidence of Blue Kofon Yajatum say the project Amfa. And that's they need to tweak and now the biggest problem they say in the history of the Premier League, no club after a season and a financial statement a pre-tax losses actually last season Chelsea £262.4 million. Rich, when you are in that category in terms of the financial nyoma, bringing in experienced coach and having the fans to buy some players now. It's a conundrum Chelsea will have to go through. Papa ye and son and pa ye to say Oma ye and that they are now retreating. Look, medias in a normal mommy. A normal mommy in the sense say ye himself taught Bolimu at Balimu. They were so inexperienced when it comes to the football environment. They didn't do the Roman Abramovich one when Obayene first major appointment was to go to Manchester United and poach CEO. Because he realized Manchester United was the most successful club then. When you no money more, CEO and no money boom. He went straight, offered him money and brought the person to Chelsea. But no more yaba, no more change, no more change, and no more kakra, no more contract. No more change. Look, normal. They must get through these mistakes, get through it, and learn. The only thing I can be trauma was a Chelsea fan, and I say, if I don't see them learning, omoto for me, almost sorry. Sankomun bibi and frumwa, and I come here and say, hey, and you are going to before I get to see the Chelsea I want to see. But if gradually they are hints, they be yes, and now we are ready to tweak there. Then so be it. They should tweak and come back to the table near where they
Abedu, you see, the owners need to sack those schoolboys sporting directors and employ mature sporting directors like Luis Ocampos, Michael Edwards, or Maria Garoskaya. After they give them back to Abramovich.
Me, I don't think there is any perfect project anywhere in the world. Honestly.
Perfect
tweaking of projects, you always have to tweak. Yes.
Because
you have to change.
I
always look at us now. 6-7 years, they've only won an FA Cup. If you are talking about projects, maybe Chelsea can tell you that their project is more successful than Arsenal's. Or 2 trophies, Arsenal won under Mikel Arteta. Maresca won 2. Me say, the context of the Chelsea conversation should be had in the context of where the club was. No club in the world has been bought at a time of sanctions.
Okay.
Chelsea time reached me so my fancy. Chelsea time. New owners in Babefano. All the senior players were going. Kovacic's contract in the Rudiger. The team and the owners never said anywhere that they intentionally wanted to buy players that were young. Now you can't attract that time. Say Erling Haaland you can't convince it to come to Chelsea because that time thought ball sporting director. They had initially bought old players who were old. Raheem Sterling, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Khalidou Koulibaly. They didn't succeed.
So it means that wrong.
So the plan. That's the thing, because the club was in disarray.
Players old.
Because the club was in disarray.
No, but you see, where I disagree with you.
Only sporting Ireland, but my fancy. The
point is that Blue came when Thomas Tuchel was your coach.
Yes,
he had won you the Champions League.
Yes.
So what do you mean by saying Chelsea were not
the same Thomas Tuchel was out of the Champions League group stage?
No problem, but he had won. No, the attraction has not gone.
No problem. But the team, you can't go to a team, players a room. Majority of the senior players were going. Tama Bluko Barun, the only senior player now on. Go and check. Kai Havertz, everybody was going. You could not attract anybody. Today, on hindsight, we can look back and say, okay, fine, this was there. Thomas Tuchel was the only one that stayed. Sometimes I have a problem with Thomas Tuchel. He was the only one who could save Chelsea. To hit on the owners, no. Then the owners at some point in time, the falling out comes in. Last week, Badal de Bali said, baby, I know more corner, any Thomas Tuchel there were different. Chelsea had made the biggest opportunity miss. Was Enzo Maresca.
You see, my last point on the FIFA can say Chelsea had won the Champions League and Tuchel. Sebi, Thomas Tuchel on your coach Kitwa. And you had the Champions League glory and you had Thomas Tuchel, big coach. That is what players look for. To say, I'll come and play for this club. And Chelsea Nankasa as a club Nankasa Edin Sodada. And I will not buy, say, Chelsea entity attractive big players. Oh, maybe so okay, so what do you want
at the time? Chelsea has issue. You did analysis, and I can say it is difficult. It's going to be difficult for Chelsea to attract players like that.
No,
Ayala, you said it at the time.
Where I was going to Amamanko.
Yeah, come back and forth and
you're back and forth. Okay, when Chelsea were allowing Edward Mendy, Koulibaly, N'Golo Conte Munina to leave, I came to tell you, say, those who are inside the club are saying those are financial decisions. And you're sporting. The club needed money to balance their books. And I also omuma players now, big players now, Saudi funding, they must accept those monies and balance the books. But when in BB, how do you reconcile these two truths? Inside sources say they are taking those monies to balance the books. Then within that same period now, look for Chelsea has spent on transfers more than any club, 1.5 billion.
So clearly, it wasn't
so you get it. And Rich, and the bottom line is say you can spend 1.5 billion more than any club and say you can't use that money to attract big players. What do you mean by that?
I think we am me John man yampon show ne yabefi na yaka coaches